Well, good morning, Saturday morning. Just wanted to remind you if you're getting out this morning, you might want to run by Harbor Freight. There's some really good sales going on. So let me show you a few. Hi, let's just start right off with those 30% off coupons. This is 30% off for everyone. That's $10 and under items, limit of 5. And the 30% off all items under $20 for Inside Track Club members. So that's good through the 26th. So you might want to run on out there. Let's jump right into some of the deals. Here's some super coupons that they've recently dropped. Maybe some redundants, I'm not sure. But these are all good through, let's see what the date is, 4/26. So here's that Bauer Premium Auto Detailing Accessory Kit for the wet dry vacs. It's down $10, 33% off at $19.99. Get you a nice 6 amp plug-in rotating handle variable speed reciprocating saw from Warrior, $21.99. Hard to beat if you don't have one. Drywall sander, that's a great deal on this Bauer, $50 off, $99.99. Here's your super coupon on your 7 amp 4.5 inch slide switch angle grinder. It is also plug-in, but it's a heck of a deal at $29.99. Here's some hand tools. You just need a basic set of screwdrivers. They got that Pittsburgh 8-piece set, $7.99. Ratcheting screwdriver set by Pittsburgh, $9.99, 28% off. 4-pound fiberglass drilling hammer. So a nice little sledgehammer, 4-pound, 30% off at $8.99. Here's your 1/2 inch drive SAE and metric and their high visibility socket set, 21 piece for $24.99. Here's a air tool and compressor section, that 1/4 inch brass industrial plug. They're knocking 33% off, $1.99 if you need a couple. Air tool oil on sale at $4.99. How about the 100-foot manual steel hose reel from Central Pneumatic? 20% off, $19.99 if you need a new place to hang some steel air hose, some air hose. And your 1/4 inch brass coupler, 25% off at $3.49. A few deals in storage and organization. There's that ammo can, 45% off. This says 50 caliber. Of course, you can put whatever you want in there. $10.99 is 45% off. Yukon shelving, 33% off. That's a good deal on a 5-tier shelf. It's 72 inches high and 36 inches wide, and the shelves are 18 inches deep, $39.99. Magnetic socket holders, 3/8 drive, $12.99, 35% off. How about a Bauer 24-inch tool bag with 16 pockets, 10% off, $26.99. There are many more deals. I'm just glossing a few of the highlights on a few of the departments. Jump to Automotive. We got the super coupon on the Maddox. It's at $79.99, 11% off. We also have the Maddox 4.3 screen OBD2 code reader. This one's the new version, $174.99. Disc brake pad and caliper service tool, 28% off, $29.99. If you got the job coming up, it's probably worth your while to stop by and grab it. They continue to have great deals on these floor jacks. This one happens to be that 2-ton low profile with rapid pump. It's a Pittsburgh brand for $109.99. This, I think, is a really good deal. These things are getting great reviews. It's like 4 3/4 stars. It looks like a Honda. It kind of sounds like a Honda. I don't own one, but I've been around a friend that has one. It's really quiet, starts easy, looks like a solid unit, and from the reviews, you can read them yourself. I think you're going to be in good shape if you buy one. Well, right now, with this super coupon, $539.99, 90% off. And that's an inverter, so it's safe for your computers and electronics. Excuse me. And it has 2,000 continuous watts, so it can charge your batteries back up. If you're running batteries overnight at the campground, run this for a few hours during the day, charge your Echo Flows or your Predator battery boxes back up, and you won't have to run this at night. How about an 8 horsepower horizontal shaft gas engine? 229's, 20 bucks off. What they got in lawn and garden? How about a trash water pump and select hoses, all 50% off? Just use the coupon, go get what you need. Here's a 100-foot contractor grade garden hose. That's a really good deal on a 3/4 inch, $29.99. Here's a 100-watt solar panel kit. So this is everything you need. It's got the charge controller and the wires and whatnot. It's 20 bucks off at $149.99 if you would just want to dip your toe into the solar world just to see what you can do with it. Whoop. We have that 12 by 20 mesh all-purpose weather-resistant 4-ounce tarp. 25% off. That's a quality tarp for $49.99. Here's a 36 by 24 modular welding table with a welding fit-up kit. Nice little table, 20 bucks off, $169, made by Titanium. Chicago Electric's Blue Design Auto Darkening Welding Helmet, 26% off, $32.99. How about a plasma cutter? I'd really like to have one. I really don't have a need, but you know, it's kind of like I got lots of tools I guess I don't need. Here's a deal, 100 bucks off, $699.99. It's a 45 amp Titanium brand, or jump up to the 65 amp for $929.99, 70 bucks off. Get you a few power strips while you're in store at $3.99 a piece. It's hard to beat that. How about a hobby wood burner? 38% off, $7.99, made by Snyder. Extra large double-sided moving blankets. These are invaluable for several things, covering things, you know, obviously for moving, getting down on the ground. Very good blankets, $12.99, made by Franklin, and that is a very large size. How about a flat-free tire with powder-coated rim? So this is the whole thing. It's got the hub and the tire for $19.79. 800-pound capacity. This is the appliance dolly for $99.99, knock 30 bucks off. Stretch wrap. It's only 5 inches wide, but if you're just trying to secure your straps or something, it's perfect. $6.99, comes with a nice little holder to help you roll it. Scaffolding, if you have a use for that, $199.99 for the 900-pound capacity Franklin multi-purpose. Here's the tape measure with double hook from Hercules for $12.99. And while you're in the store, you just will check out a few of the instant savings. Here's the microfiber cleaning cloths, the 4-pack for $2.99. Stacking bins, $2.99 a piece. 12-inch tool bags, a great deal at $4.99. 500-pound capacity 1-inch by 15-inch ratcheting strap tie down, so it's a nice size at $10.99. These hang-alls, if you're like me, you've got several in the basement and in the shed, $2.29. It's a good deal on those. The 2-inch by 27-inch, 27-foot ratcheting tie down. This is a heavy-duty, 3,300 pounds, knocked down to $13.99. Excellent deal from Hallmaster. The titanium step bits, 10% off to $17.99. Tubeless tire repair kit, $5.99. I'm not a fan of those, but a lot of people still swear by them. It's just too hard for me to do. Got the 3-gallon 3-peak horsepower wet dry vac for $34.99, 12% off. This is the portable. It's very easy to handle. And your Avanti handheld HVLP paint and stain sprayer for $49. That's 28% off. Good deal on that. It's a few dollar deals days. Good time to stock up on your zip ties, cable ties, 100-pack, $1 instead of $1.99, so 50% off. Epoxy at $1. Need some more masks. Doesn't hurt out here in the pollen. It's $1 for a 2-pack for KN95s. Socket rails for $1. The electrical clip set, that's very handy when you need them, especially like I have auto mowers. You have to find breaks in the line. You need these alligator clips and different clips occasionally to hook onto the existing wires. $2, pick you up a set. The ball stretch cord set, 4-piece for $2. It's a deal. The premium paint roller frame, best quality. This is a good quality paint roller for $2. The steel automotive plug for $2. Here's a straight air chuck with lock-on lever for $3. That's a deal. Security bit set. If you've lost some like I have, you either buy you a whole nother set or try to find the pieces. Good luck. For $4, I'm not going to look too hard. From Warrior. Here's some garden hose quick disconnects if you need to set your hose situation up that way. Vacuum storage bags, 4-pack for $5. Here's the battery operated liquid transfer pump. It's 50% off, 49% off, $7. The cordless micro engraver with diamond tipped ball point, $8. And I think we went over those last week. That's enough for now. I'll try to put another one out before the weekend's over, just so we don't miss anything of extreme value. But your biggest value this weekend is those 30% off coupons, and that's for your Inside Track Club members. 5 items under $20. You can get them all at 30% off, so make your own sale. And anybody, even if you're not a member, 30% off all items under $10, limit 5. You folks that are not members, hey, it might be a value to join today. Go on and use that coupon. You'll pay for your membership with a couple of decent purchases on some power tools. Hope this was helpful, and please like, subscribe, make comments of how I might improve. And until the next video, y'all take care.